Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing data, backup contacts and photos, because once removed, some sync services stop. Once done, make sure your Motorola is charged above 50% and connected to Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings, tap Accounts, then Google, and choose the account you want to delete. I'm having you stop at the account page so you can verify the email address. This prevents removing the wrong profile and losing access to purchases or backups. Next, tap the three-dot menu or more and select Remove Account. This initiates the deletion from the device. When prompted, confirm using your device PIN, pattern, or password that protects the phone from unauthorized removals. You do this to unlink the account locally. Note that removing the account from your Motorola stops sync on that device, but it doesn't delete your Google data from Google's servers. If you want complete deletion, you must sign into Google and delete the account there. Finally, restart your Motorola to ensure the account is fully unlinked and apps refresh without that profile. If the account still appears afterward, clear the settings app data or boot into safe mode and try removal again. Those steps handle stubborn cache or third-party lock issues. If you can't authenticate because of a lost password, use Google Account Recovery on another device to regain access before removing, because you need to verify ownership to delete or make major changes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.